This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about ice molds, specifically these bar Lux Ice Molds. They're all made of black silicone, and we have a few options here to show you. There's the 4-compartment slab, which you can see makes these nice, lovely, long bricks of ice. There's the 2-inch spheres, which is a 6-compartment mold. And the important thing to note about this one is it's actually a 2-piece mold so that you can make those lovely round spheres. And it comes with a little funnel to help you fill those up and make those lovely little round cubes. We've also got the 4-compartment shot glass, which you can see you unmold easily for a nice shot glass made of ice. So cute for not only shooters and shots, but also things like chilled apps as well. And then finally, we have the 1 1/4 inch cube. And this is a 15-compartment tray that's going to make those nice, super square cubes of ice. The cube also has a 4 and 6 compartment option available as well, giving you a wide variety of different choices for unique shapes of ice. And they're all made from food-grade silicone, and they're easy to fill, easy to unmold because of that nice flexible silicone after they're frozen. And they're going to make those really wonderful and beautiful shapes that are going to add those special touches to your drinks, in addition to giving you ice that's tasteless, odorless, and free of contaminants. So these are perfect for creating custom cubes to really go with your cocktails, mocktails, or other drinks, and really show them off in a creative and fun way. They're also going to do things like help keep them cold longer without diluting them. Things like these lovely large bricks gives you a nice large mass of ice with a surface area that's going to melt slower and dilute your drinks much, much slower. So it's going to give you that optimal drinking experience. So these are perfect for restaurants, bars, caterers, event planners, or just for use at home while entertaining when you're looking to add some fun and special touches to your beverages and really give your guests a unique and interesting and playful presentation.